Today I'll be sharing 5 tips for beginners or for those who have just started lifting, and it will definitely benefit you in the long run. Let's go. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you're new here, welcome. I'm JJ, and in this channel we do fitness and health tips and tricks to help you guys achieve your goal faster. Before I start, remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and click on the bell logo so that whenever I upload, you'll be able to get notified as well. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump right into the first tip that I'm gonna give you guys. So the first thing that I would like every one of you, despite if you have been lifting for a couple of months or you're just completely fresh and new, remember to perfect your form first. That would always be the first thing that we look out for. It's not only just for safety, but it also helps you to get yourself familiarized with the exercise, and also allows you to build on muscle and strength moving forward in your journey. Number 2, focus on your major lifts first. So what do I mean by this is that whenever you go for a workout, it will always be best to start off with major lift or compound lifts if you have ever heard of it, and then only go into your accessory movement and also isolation movement. The reason for this is that because compound movement would require more than one muscle group to help you to achieve the prescribed reps and also the sets. So you would want yourself to be fresh and energetic before you hit those compound movement. Number 3, using a rep range between 8 to 12. And the reason for that is that when you just started, I would say that you definitely won't be able to lift very heavy loads. And by not lifting very heavy loads, I don't see a reason why you should be training lower than 6 to 8 reps. That's why we would always recommend people who just started to train between 8 to 12, so that you get certain amount of strength being built into yourself, and also certain amount of muscular mass that is being built into you as well. So that would give you benefits for both sides. Number 4, this is a hard one, especially for those of you who are full of energy and wanted to jump straight right into the workouts. So number 4 is that it would be recommended, if you're just starting out, to take your day off as per plan, right? Or take day off every other day if you are doing full body workout. So the reason for this is that you need to allow your body to have enough time to recuperate, and also to reduce the soreness in your muscle, as you're not used to the movement and also not used to the training pattern. So in the long run, this would actually help you to improve your performance in the gym, and also help you to feel better out of the gym rather than being sluggish, painful every single day. Alright, so I know this is very hard to achieve, especially for beginners who wanted to change their body quickly, wanted to get changed, get stronger, get more muscle mass. But trust me guys, try to get enough rest, especially at the start. And also, if you are already an advanced lifter, it would be beneficial to you as well to get enough rest so that your muscle can repair itself in a sufficient manner. Number 5, don't forget to stretch. So irrespective of either you're a beginner or an advanced lifter or an intermediate lifter, it is always good to remember to stretch yourself after the workout. This will help you to reduce soreness as well, and the main thing for this is that it will help you to maintain or even improve your flexibility and also your range of motion, which is very important. Because for beginners, if you are training over time with the loads that you are not used to, eventually your muscle will be tightened up and you'll feel sore, and you'll feel like your range of motion have been reduced due to whatever that you have been training in the gym. So remember guys, remember to stretch yourself. I'll recommend like 10 to 15 minute stretch after every single workout. It would probably help you to maintain the flexibility and also the range of motion as what we have discussed. Alright, so there you have it. These are 5 quick tips for beginners or for whoever that would want to improve your workout and also to improve your performance in the gym. So these 5 simple tips, try to incorporate every single one of it, and maximize the effort that you guys put into the gym and also into your diet as well. Before I let you guys go, question of the day is, what is your favorite compound movement? So comment down below and let us know what is your favorite compound movement, and if you're up for it, tell us why as well. So guys, give me a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you like this type of video. I'll probably do a part 2 to this because there are so many more tips and tricks for beginners and also for intermediate and advanced lifters where it could help you maybe the slightest to improve yourself. And if you like it, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your time, and bye.